This is how to use Cash App with Plaid. If you haven't already, just go to the App Store, locate Cash App, and update and install the app. Here in the top right, we're going to go to our profile. Right here, we're going to linked banks. And right here, if you already have your bank account connected, you are already using Cash App with Plaid. If we go to the Plaid website right here, it says, with Plaid, you can securely connect your financial accounts to an app in seconds. So in order for Cash App to simply be a thing and for it to work in any way, it needs Plaid to communicate with your bank account. Plaid is basically in charge of being the middleman when it comes to being right in the middle of Cash App and your bank. So when you're trying to send money directly from your bank account to Cash App, your bank account will need to communicate with Plaid in the middle for that to happen. Plaid is 100% safe to use and it is required for a Cash App or Venmo account. So in the process of connecting your bank account, Cash App will require you to connect it with Plaid. That is how to use your Cash App with Plaid.